Hello children and welcome back to another English class. In the lesson of today, we're going to work with a new content. I'm Miss Jocelyn Flores and let's start. So, this is unit number 3. I am going to remember you that we're in unit number 3 and in unit number 3 it's called There's a Pizza Under the Bed. Okay? I am going to remember also that in the previous class we have been working with prepositions of place, like here you have an example, under. Okay, you have under, next to, in front of, opposite, in, on, okay, among others. In this opportunity, let's start with the presentation. We're going to work with the words there is, there isn't, there are, there aren't, okay? So here in the dialogue, we have there's a pizza under the bed, and Jacob says, good, I'm hungry. In this opportunity, I am going to use the highlighter to underline or to highlight the words that we're going to use in this opportunity. As you can see here, I highlight the word there's. It's the same as you could say that there is, okay? Here we have a box, we have affirmative and negative, and in this opportunity I am going to use some signs. I think that will be in some cases better. Affirmative, we're going to use a plus sign, and negative, we're going to use a minus sign, okay? Here in singular, you have to remember that singular is only one thing, and plural is more than one thing, okay? For example, I have only one pencil, singular, and in plural, I could have, I don't know, 5 pencils, okay? So, let's start with this one. It says singular, there is a rocking chair. Means what is a rocking chair in Spanish? Rocking chair, the meaning in Spanish, it will be silla mecedora. Okay, so there is only one rocking chair. There is a rocking chair. Okay, I am going to express you that the word a, it's going to be referring to only one thing. Okay, so there is a rocking chair. So this in Spanish will be like hay una silla mecedora. Then in plural form, I am going to use there are. There are 3 armchairs, or there are 3 sofas. Okay, so as you can see here, we are expressing in a different form. For only one thing, there is. For more than one, there are. And you could see it here too. Here you have a 3 and here you have only a rocking chair. And in the other part, in singular, there isn't a sofa, and in plural, there aren't 2 beds. Okay, this in Spanish will be like hay 3 sofás and there aren't 2 beds, no hay 2 camas, o no hay un sofá. That is the meaning in Spanish, the translation. So we're going to complete the rule now. It says that we use there is before, before singular nouns, good. And we use there are before plural nouns, excellent. Let's pay attention to this part, that is the check it out, or it's like the watch out, it's a warning, and says that we can contract there is to there's, but we do not contract there are. And this is very important. You are going to say there are 2 shirts, but not in this form that is the contraction, okay? You cannot use these words in there are. In the other part, you can contract there is. You can use it like this, there's. Then we have 2 more examples. There is a rocking chairs and there aren't 2 beds. Let's continue with the exercise. It says complete the sentences with there is, there isn't, there are, there aren't. Let's begin. You have to pay attention to the symbols. For example, here you have a positive sentence, here you have a negative sentence. Remember that the ticket is positive and the cross is negative. So, number 1 says a lamp on the table. You have a cross, so it's negative. There isn't a lamp because you have only one. Here is expressed, okay? Then you have number 2, a sofa in front of the window. you have to pay attention, is positive, so you could use there is or there are. In these opportunities, there is because you have only one. Let's go with number 3. It says DVDs on the shelf. Okay, DVDs on the shelf, and it is positive, and you have a plural noun. So in this opportunity, you're going to use there are. Good. Let's go with number 4. It says cupboards. It's not only one. And so for that reason, could be there are or there aren't. But in this case, you have crossed. So there aren't. Let's go with number 5. It says a computer next to the lamp. It's only one computer and it is a cross. So there isn't. Then we have in number 6 a dresser between the table and the bed, and it's pay attention that you have the word a. Okay, so it means that it's only one, and it is positive, there is. And then finally we have desk, and you have here the s at the end, so it's positive, there are. Okay, continue with the exercise. We're going to look at the pictures and we're going to write sentences with there is, there isn't, or there are, there aren't, and prepositions of place. Let's pay attention to the example. It says posters on the wall. So for that, I need to pay attention to the photograph here. I pay attention here. You have a lot of posters, and so for that is there are posters on the wall. As you can see here you have the 3 words. You only have to identify if you have to use there is, there isn't, there are, there aren't. Let's begin with number 1. It says a lamp on the armchair. And do you see a lamp here? No. So the correct answer is there isn't a lamp on the armchair. Let's go with number 2. It says a closet near the bed. Here you have a closet and here you have a bed. So there is a closet near the bed. Let's go with number 3. It says books on the bed. And you don't have nothing here. So there aren't books on the bed. Let's go with number 4. A bookcase in front of the TV. What things do you have in front of the TV? Nothing. It's only the armchair. So there isn't a bookcase in front of the TV. And finally, number 5, that says a lamp between the TV and the bed. Here you have the lamp, TV, and bed. So there is a lamp between the TV and the bed. Okay, now we're going to okay, kids, now we're going to work on page 34, and we're going to talk about communication. Okay, we're going to talk about location. So I am going to make a sum up here, and we're going to start with exercise number 1. Okay, so what we're going to do here, you're going to read and listen to a dialogue between a visitor and a tourist guide. Write the missing rooms in the house plan, then listen and repeat. The only thing that you have to do is listen to the audio. Also, you can read this. Okay, here you have the dialogue, and you have to write me what are number 1 and number 2 that is related to some missing rooms. Okay, hay habitaciones perdidas. Necesito el nombre de esas habitaciones. So for that, you need to pay attention. You need to pay attention a lot to the audio. Okay, I am going to play it, and then we're going to continue with the exercise.
Unit 3, Communication. Talking about location. Page 34. Exercise 1. Example. Excuse me, where's the dining room?
It's on the first floor. It's between the green living room and the kitchen.
Thank you. 1. Excuse me, where's the blue living room?
It's on the second floor. It's next to the stairs and opposite the office.
Thanks. 2. Excuse me, where are the restrooms?
They're on the first floor. They're next to the cafe and near the reception desk.
Thanks.
Okay, now boys and girls, in online classes, we're going to check this exercise. Okay, we're going to analyze a little bit better. And now we're going to continue here. If you pay attention to the dialogues that you have here, you have some phrases that are very useful in some real situations. For example, here says learn it and use it. Here says you ask, you answer. So it says, excuse me, where's the, please. This is only a structure, okay? You can use, for example, here, excuse me, where's the restroom, please? Or excuse me, where is the restaurant, please? Or excuse me, where is the bedroom, please? And these are possible answers. For example, excuse me, where is the bathroom, please? It's on the first floor, next to the kitchen, okay? Or it's on the second floor, next to the bedroom. And then here you have another question. Says, excuse me, where are the office? Or where are the bedrooms? Okay, this is related to plural forms. Okay, where are, in this opportunity, the example says, where are the restrooms? Or you could say, I don't know, where are the classrooms? Okay, because there are a lot. And a possible answer is that they are next to the office, or opposite the kitchen, or between the restrooms and the bedroom, or near to the principal office. I don't know, okay? So in exercise number 2, you're going to look at the house plan. In exercise 1, we're going to pay attention to this house of plan. And we're going to listen to the tourist guide, and we're going to write the rooms, okay? You have to pay a lot of attention, because in this exercise, you have to pay attention to the location, okay? For example, it's going to say it's between the green living room and the kitchen, and you have to, with that, notice which kind of room is, okay? I am going to play the audio, so pay attention, pay a lot of attention.
Unit 3, Communication. Talking about location. Page 34. Exercise 2. Example.
It's on the second floor. It's opposite the bathroom and next to bedroom 2.
1,
It's on the first floor. It's next to the dining room and near the stairs.
2,
It's on the first floor. It's in the hall, in front of the entrance.
3,
It's on the second floor. It's between the grand bedroom and bedroom 3.
4,
It's on the first floor. It's near the reception desk, and it's next to the restrooms. It's opposite the shop.
5,
It's on the first floor. It's opposite the green living room.
Okay, kids, if you want to listen one more time this exercise, you can rewind the video and you can listen again, okay? I am going to remember you that these 2 exercises, we're going to check it in online classes, and we're going to practice a little bit more. So try to ask what things that we have been doing in online classes, okay? So if you have doubts, question, remember that the only thing that you must do is ask me, okay? So take care and have a great day. Bye bye, kids. See you.